Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to import your WhatsApp contacts easily so you can stay connected with everyone. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp application on your phone. This is where all your chats and contacts are managed. Step 2. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. This button helps you add or refresh your contacts list. Step 3. Tap the menu icon with 3 dots in the top right corner. This opens a menu with more options. Step 4. Tap Refresh to sync your WhatsApp contacts. This updates your list with any new phone contacts you've added recently. Step 5. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. This app controls your phone's system settings. Step 6. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Here you can see all the apps installed on your device. Step 7. Scroll through the list and tap on WhatsApp. This opens the settings specific to WhatsApp. Step 8. Tap on Permissions. This section controls what WhatsApp is allowed to access. Step 9. Tap on Contacts under the Not Allowed section. This shows that WhatsApp currently does not have permission to access your contacts. Step 10. Tap Allow to enable contact syncing for WhatsApp. This will make sure your contacts appear in WhatsApp for messaging. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.